Welcome to 86 Maybrooke in Brighton, New York. Several hundred yards from 12 Corners, we have a 1,200 square foot ranch with 3 bedrooms, 1.5 bathrooms, hardwood floors throughout, 2 patios, a sunroom, and it's an amazing place. You should check it out. Come on in. The kitchen has stainless steel appliances. All the appliances are included, and there's this awesome breakfast bar. You can put stools here, and it's got an overhang. So you can have breakfast here, cook there. Nice setup. Got a big open great room with a wood burning fireplace, so you can have real wood smell. It's got first floor laundry in this ranch, so everything is on the first floor. 3 bedrooms, and this is the full bath here with an awesome tile floor. Hardwood floors throughout the whole house. Everything's in great condition. The bedrooms are really good size. There's a lot of natural light coming in. Every room has a really good closet with enough space. And the house has been really well cared for. The roof had been replaced in 2007. The mechanicals are all recently updated. You can really move into this house. Half bath off the kitchen, also 2-car attached garage off the kitchen. And then you go into this great room. And this is my favorite part. This is an awesome 3-season room that all of the doors are screened. There's 4 sliding glass doors here. They're all screened, and you can have a great outdoor living space next to your patio. So why should you buy this house? Well, it's a ranch in Brighton, but if that's not enough, it's got first floor laundry too. All the appliances are included, and they're stainless steel. There's this awesome fireplace, a 3-season room, 2 patios, an attached 2-car garage, hardwood floors throughout with tile floors in the bathroom. Yeah, it's a really great deal, and it's a really great location, and I think this place would make you very happy to call home.